Yo, YouTube, good morning. I hope you are good day. Please don't forget my subscribe, okay, and like and share. Today is the Thursday. Yeah, I want to eat a food. Right now, I'm eating the lunch or raw. Yeah, yeah. Do you wanna see my raw? Okay, wait. I gotta show you. Okay. I wanna to heat it to a full. This is marak. We call it mikaja marak, but right now it's a full. It's a penis to mix tomatoes. Do you know what I'm saying? This is masoro. Yeah, this is a masoro. It's oil. It's protein oil because it's a strong your calcium. You mix it's a banana. When you are Somali, you don't forget the banana. Okay. Okay, right now masara and full and the moss and the banana. You know what I'm saying? It's a two anjera. You see it, bro? It's three or two. Only I wanted to eat one anjera. No, two anjera. Yeah, you see it, bro? Yeah. Yes, right now I wanted to eat my balanji. I'm preparing my lunch, then I will eat you, okay? Like, please don't forget subscribe and like and share and comment. Yeah. What's up, my buddy? I want to teach you how Somali rock to eat. Okay, this is anjera and this is marak beans. Okay, you can eat like this. Wait. You can eat like this. First, you catch the banana and then you ruining of the granny of the granny. Bismillah. You see, don't forget Bismillah. If when you eat everything, you do it and you eat, don't forget Bismillah. That looks good. This food, my mom, she makes me. Allah al-Adim. This is so sweet. The food is zero. Yes. Thank you for your watch on me. And thank you for your listen to me. And I will hope your good day. I will hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and like share. Come on. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe and like share and comment. Okay. Thanks for your watching with me, and I will hope good day. Wallahi al